Grief is a natural response to a loss of something or someone that's valuable to us. It can also be the loss of a moment, of a season, or of a space in our lives. Right now, we are all grieving. After 2020, we are all grieving, right? I don't care if you had more business, if you got married, if you had children during 2020, all of us are grieving because things are different than how we knew them to be, right? You walk in a space like this, you're looking, should I keep it up? Should I keep it down? Who's gonna be there? We don't have the semblance of what 2019 was anymore. We're moving in a different space, right? So we are dealing with the loss of that kind of a freedom, of that kind of an ease of movement. How many of you, when you're leaving your house in the morning, before it might have taken you 30 minutes or 20 minutes, now it takes you about an hour, 2 hours to leave your house, right? Because you have to prepare in a different way about what you're going to encounter out there, or make sure you're carrying everything with you as you come outside. So in some